How to share a PDF as a link. This tutorial shows you how to upload it to Google Drive and generate a public link anyone can open. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. From there, tap the plus icon at the bottom right. After that, tap Upload. At this point, browse through your device and select the PDF you want to share. Following this, give it a moment while the file uploads to your drive. From here, once it's uploaded, long press on the PDF to select it. At this stage, tap the Share icon at the top. Following this, tap Share or Get Link, depending on what's shown for your version of the app. From here, tap on the Current Access setting, which usually shows something like Restricted. At this stage, change it to Anyone with the link. Following this, tap Copy Link. Once copied, that link is ready to paste and send anywhere, letting anyone who opens it view the PDF directly without needing access to your drive. Keep in mind, depending on the permission you choose, people with the link may only be able to view the file, so double-check the settings if you want them to be able to comment or edit it instead. That's how you share a PDF as a link. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!